Flores Cemetery.
Awusitsheleke kwenzekani lapha yana emathuneni ase-Vosloorus.
Bafike bangehlisa bangibeka phansi phela bangihlalisa bathi angiphinde ngilabe ngihlale ngibhekele. Bakhuluma nefoni be-blue loudspeaker.
Upon arrival there, I was told to get out of the vehicle. I was made to sit down in exactly the same manner as stretch my legs. And they then were on the phone, speaking on the phone, and it was put on loudspeaker.
Thank you. The surface on which you were made to sit down now at the cemetery, how was it?
Manje ke ushilo ngale ukuthi kwakunjani la phansi. Manje le ndawo ohleliswe phansi lapha emathuneni kwakuyindawo enjani la phansi.
Yoshwayi phansi behlahla nje amathuna lapha nakhona isihlahla esisekelile namanje sisekhona. Ngifike ngibuke le ndawo zangihlezi la.
Okay, masikhuluma ngohlwayi ke manje ngezisifuna indawo enjani?
Indawo enamatshe amancane.
Okay, it's a place with some small stones, and it's at the cemetery. There is like a tree that is there, and I was made to sit down there. Even if I were to go there, I would be able to point that place out and say this is where I was made to sit.
Would you wish that the court should go and see that place?
Kuyisifiso sakho ukuthi inkantolo ingahambe iyibone le ndawo.
Kakhulu.
Very much so.
Thank you. You can proceed.
Usungaqhubeka.
Thema ekhuluma nefoni wavula uspeaker. Kanti usula eduze kwami. Uyasho ukuthi uyaphika lo muntu lo. Alizwi izwi elikhuluma la efoni ukuthi likabani.
He was speaking, he was on the phone, and then put it on loudspeaker, and by then he was very close to me, and I could then identify the voice as to whose voice that was.
Before we come to the identification of the voice, let us hold it in abeyance for a minute or two. Then what happened thereafter?
Siyeza-ke kuleyo ukuthi ivoice yakabani kwasekwenzekani emuva kwalokho.
Ilapho phela ukuthi mangibatshena ukuthi ngiyamuzwa umuntu okhulumayo uthi ubani baqhubeka bangishaya.
It was at that point where I was then responding to them that I knew nothing, and I was then able to recognize the voice. That's when they proceeded in assaulting me.
Come again, what did you say?
Awuqhubeke futhi sorry awuphinde futhi uqeda ukuthini manje lokho uqeda ukusho manje.
Emva ukuthi ngibatshela ukuthi izwe likabani elikhulumayo.
Okay, after I informed them as to whose voice that was that
Yes.
was speaking, yebo,
Bangishaya.
they assaulted me.
Now, are you saying that they put you on a loud, they call each other, then you were able, because the phone was on a loudspeaker, then you were able to identify this voice, and then you're saying to them, I can even recognize that voice that is speaking on the other side, and then they assault you.
Okushoyo ukuthi bakhuluma ocingweni base ke ifone lena bayibeka ku loudspeaker. Usuyalizwa ke ilizweni ukuthi ubani lo khuluma ngale, uyabatshela ukuthi ngezwe ukuthi ubani lo khuluma ngale base beyakushaya.
Cha ngabatshena mina ukuthi ngoba ngishaya nqa lo muntu lo.
I told them that so the assault is because of this person.
You said you could be able to, you're able to identify the voice. Whose voice was it?
Kwakuyizwi kabani?
Lazwe lowakithi.
Bani?
Umuntu akehlulwa izwi lomuntu wabo. Lazwe.
Zway.
Constable Zungu.
It was Constable Zungu. There is no way that you cannot identify or recognize your own person's voice or someone that is close to you's voice.
You saying this incident, by the way, that was in June 2020.
Uthi lokho kwenzeka ngo June 2020. Yes.
And the last time you spoke to Zwe, when was it?
Ugcina kwakho wena ukhuluma naye uZwe kwakunini?
Efonini.
Telephonically
Whether telephonically
or seeing each other.
Yes, seeing each other.
Ukubonana
2019.
20 sorry.
Ukanu Dave 2019 emshadweni.
It was in 2019 at the wedding, at Dev's wedding.
And you had a conversation with him.
Naxoxa lapho nakhulumisana lapho.
Sasikhulumisana akaboshwa.
It was before my arrest. Yes, we spoke.
Yes. And you saying because this was your brother's voice, you were able to identify it.
uthi ke ngoba umuntu wakini lona ke ivoice lena wayazi.
amuzwa nje esathi nje eya ngamuzwa ukuthi awuzwele okhuluma la.
From the word go nje, when he just said yeah, that's when I said this is Way's voice.
Thank you. Now, you're saying I am being assaulted because of that person. Then they start to assault you.
Usushilo ke ukuthi ngishaywa nje kanti ngishaywa ngenxa yalo muntu base bekushaya futhi.
Yebo.
Yes.
Take us through how this assault happened. How did they assault you?
Manje ke usitshele uma sebekushaya ke la manje la bekushayela khona la emathuneni bakushaya kanjani?
Bathi mabe ngangihlezi so ngibhekele. Baphinde futhi baqhamuka ngapha ngemuva. Owaqhamuka ngemva emathuneni angaze ngimboneke futhi.
Okay. I was seated and then my hands cuffed at the back and I was facing that way and then they appeared. The one that appeared from the back or from behind, I couldn't see that or I didn't see that one. Yebo.
Ngoba behlezi emotweni eyibhakhe moto bani double cab enesimbi ngemuva beyivule ngemuva la behlezi kanje lona ekhuluma lapha ngefoni mina ngihleli phansi kanje.
Because they were seated in a buggy, a double cab, which was open. They were seated there at the back of it, and I was made to sit down. Yebo.
Wasuka lona wafika ngivala ubuso ngale plastic futhi angivala ngawo ubuso.
And then this particular one then covered my face with the plastic. That is with the plastic that they had covered me. Yebo.
How was visibility?
Sikhuluma ke manje ke ngokubonakala noma ke ukhanya ke angithi uyabona lana ukuthi kuyakhanya kuyabonakala manje ke lapha kule yandawo le yana ke kwaku kanjani
Isiganga.
it was just in an open field. It's at the cemetery.
Were the lights there, electrical lights?
Kwakuna ugesi okhona lapha no,
How
because
was-
only the source, the other source of light that was there was the vehicles only.
What do you mean when you say the only source of lights there were the vehicles?
Uma uthi kwakhanyisa imoto kuphela usho uthini?
Oh, okay.
Khanya ukugesi.
There's no electricity.
So the headlights of the vehicles were on.
Ibane lezi zemoto lokho kubizwa ngokuthi ama headlights emoto aye on.
Ahela the on moto ayidimile.
Yes, they were on but dimmed. They were on dim.
Oh, okay. I could imagine somebody who passed there, those who they might have thought they were ghosted there. But let's proceed. What then happened?
Kwasekwenzekani?
They put you, somebody put a plastic on you. Were you able to identify who that person was?
Lona okuyena wakufaka uplastic ebusweni wambona yena ukuthi kwakubani?
Wayenganga behlezi ebhakini angaze ngimbone ngoba ngihlezi ngibhekele behlezi ebhakini bevule izivalo sebhakhi.
The person was behind me. I was seated facing the other way. So when the person did that, the person did it from behind me. They were seated at the back of the buggy, so I couldn't see the person.
Then what happened?
Wasekuthini?
Bangifaka le plastic bangifaka lona bangivala ngqi. Lapha ngathi bangivala khona ngawa ngale side engalimele ngalo. Bangikhaka.
Okay. What then happened is that the plastic was then tightened. And then, as it was then tightened, I then fell. But I did not fall on the very same side that I was injured on. I fell on the other side. And then it was loosened. Yebo.
Lapha khipha khona igama lo baba ukuthiwa uThelezi. Ngamtshela ukuthi nakho ningibulala. Wathena sizokubulala nawe ufihla ababulali.
I then said something. You guys are going to kill me, or you are killing me. And then that's when Buthelezi said, sorry. That's when Buthelezi said, yes, we are going to kill you because you are hiding the killers.
Let the court order please attend to the phone that is ringing there. Mistakes do happen, yes.
Nice one out.
Oh, it's going out. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Buthelezi says, you are saying to him, you guys seem like you want to kill me now. Mr. Buthelezi says, yes, if you don't reveal the killers, will also kill you.
Uthi ke wasesho ke Buthelezi ukuthi sokubulala ngoba ufihla ababulali.
Yebo.
Yes.
Then what happened?
Wasekuthini?
Asuka lapho kususa uplastiki bangitshela ukuthi angisukume manje sesiyahamba.
They then removed the plastic, instructed me to get up, and said to me, "We are now leaving."
Now, when they put the plastic over, how did they put the plastic over you? Because you only said they put the plastic, but where did they put the plastic on you?
Uthi nje bafaka uplastic awusho. Bawufaka kuphi nendawo uplastic?
Bawuphosa ngapha bawufaka bangivala la.
Okay. They put it from, the witness indicates from behind, and then they covered me here. The witness indicates just underneath, over the face, and then.
Thank you. So they put the plastic over your head. Your whole head was covered by that plastic.
So ikhanda nje lapho lonke nobuso nje bonke babuvala lonke.
Bawumisa la ngetama.
The entire face up, it was just up to the neck.
How did it feel?
Kwazwakala njani? Kwakunjani?
Bangaphefumuleki lapha.
It was
Bangaphefumuleki because nami ngaze ngayichamela sengisemathulini.
Was-
Ngibona ukuthi bangishaya bangibulala. Yabatshela nakho ningibulala bathi sokubulala kodwa mina ufihla babulala.
I couldn't breathe. I was just in no position to breathe. I even, in other words, urinated on myself there at the cemetery. And then that's when I told them that you are killing me, or you're going to kill me. They then said, "We are going to kill you because you don't want to reveal the killers."
We'll come to these other things. What find out? The fact that you could not breathe, how did it feel? How did it feel when they put that plastic over? Was it painful, or it's something that was manageable, or what?
Siyeza kulezi ezinye ke oyishilo, kodwa ke ngifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi ke befaka leya plastic manje ngoba usho ke ukuthi ke kwakungaphefumuleki, ukuthi ke kwakuyinto ebhlungu noma yinto ukuthi nje hayi isimo lesi engikwazi ukuthi ngimelane naso.
Ikubhlungu.
It was painful.
Thank you. And up to this point, were you told as to your status there? Whether were you being treated the way in which you were treated because you're a witness or you're a suspect?
Kuze kufinyeleleke ngaleso sikhathi leso ke ingaba bakutshela yini ke ukuthi sebenza konke lokho babekwenza kuwena ke bakwenza lokho kuwena ngoba ufakazi noma umsolo?
Ngabaze bengitshele lutho.
They never told me anything.
Thank you. Now, except for them putting the plastic over your head, what else did they do if there's anything there at the cemetery?
Ngaphandle kokuthi nje bakufaka ke uplastic lowo khona lapha emathuneni yini enye abayenza uma kuukuthi kukhona okunye abakwenza?
Bangishaya.
They assaulted me.
Tell us about your assault. How were you assaulted?
Awusitshele ke ngaloko kushaya lokho bakushaya kanjani?
Khathi bengifaka uplastic. Ngathi mangibatshela bangibulala. Naku ngizongibulala. Bangitshela ukuthi nami ngifihla babulala. Bakhipha uplastic. Kwajika ngapha lokuthoma phuma bazwangishaya khona la ngedolo esifubeni.
Okay. When the plastic was put over my face, and then I told them that you are going to kill me. And then they said, yes, we are going to kill you because you are hiding the killers, or you don't want to reveal the killers. And then Makumulo came from the front and then hit me with his knee right on my chest. Yebo.
On your, that's what is normally known as a pressure point. If you want to
Benda
play
wavala umoya
soccer.
bavale umoya la.
Yes.
Yes, to state that I just couldn't
Ngaphinde
breathe.
ngabuza futhi ukuthi ningishayela ini? Ningishayela lo muntu engitshela ukuthi senginizwile ukuthi ubani.
I then asked again, why are you assaulting me? Are you assaulting me because of this person whose voice I've now identified?
Bangibuza ngihlangana naphi nalokho.
And
Mawuthi
then-
umuntu ngiyamuzwa ukuthi ubani.
And then they asked me, how is that any of my business if I am able to recognize the voice?
Yes.
Sangena emotweni lapho bangisukumisa phansi. Sangena emotweni. Kuyo le golf le.
They then made me, in other words, maybe to stand up from where I was seated, and then I was placed in this very same red Golf.
Before we get into the golf, whilst at the cemetery, now we have told this court that another form of assault that took place there, it was when Mr. Mapumulo hit you with his knee on the pressure point. That's on your sternum. Is there any other form of assault that happened there?
Uyashoka ukuthi wase uMaphumulo eza ngaphambili wakushaya ngedolo la esifubeni kukhona okunye ukushaya okwenzeka lapho?
Kwangibona ngiphelele umoya.
No, there's nothing else. He could see that I was now out. I couldn't breathe.
And then from there, they said, stand up and get into the car.
Base bethi ke manje ke bakusukumisa ngangena emotweni.
Iye bathi siyahamba. Baphinde bangashi siyakuphi futhi bathi siyahamba.
Yes, they then said that we are leaving. Again, they did not mention as to where we were going. They just
Proceed.
said we are leaving.
Right?
Sahamba saya police station khona lapha eGold Sport.
We then went to the police station there at the Gold Spot.
Masifika safika sa ipolice station eGold Sport ungena so kuyo phakathi. Sangena saya ngala naba fe bangihlasa esiturweni lapha phansi. Esiturweni.
Like in stood.
Yeah.
Okay. As you go into the police station, you get into the police station and then you make a turn. And then upon arrival there, I was made to sit down on a chair.
Now, you're saying this police station is at Gold Spot.
Uthi police station lena is a Gold Spot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where is that area?
Ikuphi leyo ndawo le?
Oslo.
In Foslo.
You have indicated that earlier on in your testimony that municipal area, it's a place that is adjacent or next to a police station, not so?
Ngaphambilini uma ukhuluma ushilo wathi leya ndawo kamasipala ubukhuluma ngayo ukuthi ke iseduze ne police station. Angithi yes.
Now, this police station that you're saying, it's now at Gold Spot, would that be the same police station that you referred to earlier on, or is it a different police station?
Manje ke le okhuluma ngayo police station uthi naya kuyona ke nangena wahlalisa esitulweni iyona le police station okhulume ngayo uthi iseduze nale ndawo kamasipala noma yenye police station.
Iyona le.
It's the same police station.
Oh, okay. Gold Spot. I can tell you that name again featured a lot in the course of this trial here.
Manje ke le gama olishoyo ke iGold Spot nalapho ke ngingakutshela futhi ke ukuthi lelo gama lelo ke igama ke elishiwo kaningi ke kulona lecala leli nanjengoba liqhubeka ke liqulwa.
Thank you. You take into the police station, which is at or near Gold Spot. Then you requested to sit on a. You're driving on an entrance that you've just described now. Then you get inside. Then what happened?
Uthi ke nangena police station njengokuthi naye najika ke uma seningena kwenzekani?
Sangena sahlala phansi bacela isituro. Bangibhalisa la phansi. Lento abegcwalisela iforms abegcwalisa la phansi.
We went in there. We then sat down because they requested a chair. Sorry, Baba, ngizokunikeza manje. And then I was made to sit down there. Then there was a particular document that they were completing there. That yebo, ngikubuka ukuthini ke manje?
Basebekhipha isibhamu befika nasendlini abashuthe kahle sashuthe kwaMaphumulo.
They then took out the very same firearm that they arrived with at my place, the one that Maphumulo tried to squeeze in. Yebo.
Bangitshela ukuthi lesi sibhamu lesi esakho sesifice endlini yakho ngathi mina ngeke ngikhuphe nesibhamu ekhaya ekubeni ngifolele umuzi wangitshela ukuthi amaphoyisa akufuna baqeda bemphuca ifoni.
They then said to me, "This is your firearm. We found this firearm at your place or in your house." I then said to them, "There's no way that I could have traveled all the way from home with a firearm after Muzi had contacted me and informed me that the police are looking for you, and thereafter they just took the phone from him."
Who did they take the phone from?
By Puta Bani phone.
Umuzi wefonzo elinye iphoyisa number khona 073. Bangiphuca ifoni maye safuna ungitshela ngifunela ina amaphoyisa.
Okay. A certain police officer was allowed Muzi to contact me, or gave Muzi the phone to contact me. It was an 073 number. And then when Muzi was about to tell me as to why were the police looking for me, they then grabbed or took the phone away from him.
Now, is this incident of phoning happening at the time and spot where you're saying you had just arrived at the police station, which is at Gold Spot, after you were offered a chair to sit down.
Lokho kushoyo manje ingaba kwenzeka kulesikhathi leso khuluma ngaso njengokuthi ke naniqeda ukufika ke police station yase Foslo base befuna isitulo wahlaliswa phansi isona lesikhathi leso.
Cha leso sefoni ngangisekhaya besilungisa la ukuthi ngangeke ngikhone umusho ukuthiwa nesibhamu usuka nesibhamu ekhaya esishilo bafu ukuthi amaphoyisa amfuna.
No, the issue of the telephone call was when I was back home, but I was just clarifying or correcting the issue when at the police station they took out the firearm and said this is a firearm that we found at your house.
Yeah.
And then I then said that there was no way I would have come with the firearm from home after my brother had informed me that the police were looking for me.
Oh, so this incident where Mosi called you and told you that the police were looking for you, and according to you, as he was explaining it to you, they grabbed the phone from him, which cut off your conversation with him. It's something that happened on some other day, not on this day.
Yes.
Oh, you can follow. Thank you. Now, let's now concentrate on what is happening at the police station there at Gold Spot Police, at Gold Spot, Fosloras Police Station. You said they offered you a chair, then they were writing on some papers, and then they say to you, no, this is a firearm that we found in your room, and then you say, there's no way in which I could have brought a firearm back home when I already knew that police were looking for me.
Nanjengoba ushoke ukuthi nahlaliswa phansi police station babebhala lapho base bekhipha isibhamu wasuba la batshela khona ukuthi cha ngangeke mina ngize nesibhamu uba 4 esengitshelile ukuthi amaphoyisa ayangifuna.
Yebo.
Yes.
Then what happened?
Kwase kwenzekana emva kwalokho.
Babhala ke phansi.
They then wrote down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Baqeda ukubhala phansi bangishutha.
I can thatha ithombe.
Bangithatha ithombe.
After writing down, they then took photos of me.
What gadget did they use? Did they use a cell phone? Did they use a normal camera? What did they use?
Babesebenzisana ukushoot.
Abesebenzisa ifoni.
A phone.
And did they tell you the reason why they were taking your photos?
Bakutshela isizathu sokuthi bakushoot.
Akaze bangitshela.
They never told me.
Can you recall who took your photos, who took your pictures?
Ungabe usakhumbula yini ukuthi kwakuubani owayekushoot?
Hayi ngeke ngimkhumbule engishutha.
Okay.
No, I won't be able to recall the one that took photos of me.
Okay, proceed. They're
Kubeka
taking
ke.
photos.
Ayiceda ukungishutha, shuthi bangishutha ohlangothi olungapha ngangibhekele. Bathi angiphenduke ngibhekele bangishutha ngapha, bathi angiphenduke ngibhekele bangishutha ngapha. Base bezongishutha ngapha ngaphambili.
They were taking pictures from different directions.
Yes.
I would be instructed to look that way and then pictures would be taken from this direction. Be instructed to look the other way and the picture would be taken from this direction. So it was from different directions or
Yes.
angles.
Baqeda lapho balanda khona into emnyama lapha police station leso ngazithwala igama layo. Lokho kumnyama bangifaka isithupha.
They then brought something. The court or Mr. Advocate Minister will then correct me, but according to the indication that the witness is giving, it's that pad where your thumbprints are being taken, because they brought something, a blackish something, and then my thumbprints were taken.
I think that is exactly that. Yes, proceed.
Correct.
Bangifaka isithupha, ntanto ukufaka ithupha banginika indwanganyana encane bathi angisuli sesiyahamba futhi.
They then took my thumbprints and then they then gave me some cloth just to clean or wipe my hands. They then said, we are leaving again.
Now, up to this point, was any police who was not part of the entourage that you were with, those that were with you at the scene, at two scenes, that is now at the municipal area, at the cemetery, came to attend to you, that is the local subs members from the local police station from the Force Lauders police station, did any member from them come to attend to you?
Angithi manje nise police station yase Foslo.
Yebo.
Kunalama phoyisa obuhamba nawo kule ndawo lezi ezihlukene benikizwana benisebeni kwamasipala naze naye emathuneni. Manje nise police station yase Foslo. Manje ke ingaba amaphoyisa ase Foslo police station akhona yini kuwona? Asikhulumi ngala abuhamba nawo aza azokusiza.
Akhona i2 lapha ngangigcwasisa abangafaka khona i2.
Yes, there were two of them where my prints or my thumbprints were taken.
Were they in uniform?
They're
uniform.
incorrect. They were in uniform.
Okay, proceed.
Correct. After taking my thumbprints, they then told me that we are leaving again.
Yes.
I then told them that I was wet. I am requesting that I go home to go and change. They then said to me, "You think we are playing games here?"
Now, who did you direct that request to?
Manje ke isicelo leso sokuthi ngicela uye endlini ngiyoshintsha wasisho kubani?
Uthelezi angilokuthelezi uyangisiza ukugingisa isithupha lapha ethi ngcinyela ngifake lapha isithupha ngcinyela ngifake la isithupha.
It was directed to Buthelezi. He's the person that I was there with. He's the person that was directing me or telling me with how I should be taking my thumbprints.
Now, this is the same Buthelezi that you earlier on described.
Sisakhuluma ngalo yaButhelezi ubumchazile ngaphambilini. Yes.
Okay, then proceed.
Ngaqhubeka.
Ngasuka khona lapho ngimanzi. Ahamba nabo ke. Mina ngangazi ngisho ukwazi kuse Primrose lapha.
I then left there with them, as wet as I was. I did not left with them. I did not even know that that place was called Primrose.
Yes.
Masifike Primrose wawusewulwesibili.
When we arrived in Primrose, it was already on Tuesday
Kuseni.
in the morning.
Afike ngahlala ulwesibili ePrimrose kwathi ngolesithathu ebusuku.
I spent the Tuesday at Primrose, and then on Wednesday night,
Kwathi kwango11 nje ikhathi ebusuku.
I think it was around 11 at night,
Labuya leli phoyisa la drive imoto.
and then the police officer who was driving
Imoto ebomvu.
the police officer that was driving the red vehicle came back.
Okay, Mr. Kwabeni. Let's take it step by step.
Asikusho ngokulandelana kwako noma
Yeah.
asikuthathe ngokulandelana kwako.
Now, you living Force Lauders police station near the Golden Spot. You drove over, you arrived at a police station that you ultimately got to know as Primrose. Is that what happened?
Nisukileke manje police station yase Foslo. Niyahamba ke manje niya endaweni noma ke police station owathi kamuva ke wayazi ngokuthi yiPrimrose.
Yebo.
Yes.
And that is after the police had refused you to go and change, even after you've told them that your clothes were wet.
Lokho kwenzeka emuva kokuthi ke amaphoyisa ekunqabele ukuthi ke uhambe uyendlini uyoshintsha usubatshelileke ukuthi impahla noma ke okwaqokile ke kumanzi.
Yebo.
Yes.
Now you're saying you're arriving at Primrose on a Tuesday. Was it in the early morning of a Tuesday or when?
Uthi ke nafika khona ke Primrose ngolwesibili ekseni. Uma uthi ke ekseni sikhuluma ke entathakusa in the early hours of the morning.
Thank you. Upon arriving, now you're arriving at Primrose. We want to know what happened there. Upon your arrival, what happened to you? Were you taken somewhere or what happened?
Uma sekufika ke manje Primrose, sifuna sazi ke manje ukuthi kwenzeke nini ungajompike kodwa ke usithathe ke ngokulandelana. Uma ufika khona Primrose khona la abakhambisa khona kwenzekani uma ufika?
Yes.
Kose Katolo ngathi bangifike ePrimrose zase ziwu2 imoto. Kwakungebomvu kwi-double cab. Bengasekho zonke lezi ezinye imoto.
Upon arrival at Primrose, Malota, there were now only 2 vehicles. All the other vehicles were not there. It was the red vehicle as well as a double cab.
masifike ePrimrose ngafike ngahlala emotweni baphuma bangena ngaphakathi labo sisi laba bagcwalisa ama-affidavit la ngaphambili.
When we arrived there, I remained in the vehicle.
Yes.
They went out, in other words, and went. There were some ladies there, the ones that are completing the affidavits, right at the front desk. Yebo.
Right.
Bakhuluma nabo baqeda ukukhuluma nabo sebebuya sebeza kimi sebezonke akaze bekhulume lutho nami ePrimrose baqhama sebezovula isivalo bathi siphuma ungene ngaphakathi.
They spoke to the ladies, then they came back to me. They never said anything to me or never spoke to me. They just opened the door and then said, "Get out," and then they took me inside.
Yes.
Bathatha into zokungichecka lezi ama-corona begoqisa lapha emlonyeni nasemakhaleni lapha kimi la. Sebengigumile ozakusi lokho ukuchecka i-corona lokho bakujoja kanje lapha emlonyeni lokho kugoqozisa kanje. Bengichecka i-corona lapha.
There are these particular items or things that were used during that time of the virus, of the coronavirus. So they then started inserting those in my mouth, in my nostrils, checking my as to whether was I suffering from any coronavirus.
Baqeda base bengiqhaqhaqa ozakusi
Yes.
lapho.
And then the handcuffs were removed.
Yes. You know, now that you're mentioning Corona, June 2020, it was in the midst of Corona, not so.
Njengoba manje sikhuluma ngayo ke yona icorona uJune ka2020 kwakuyisikhathi la khona ke icorona lena ke yayidlangile.
Yebo yayidlangile.
Yes, it was
Now,
at that stage.
when you were in the midst of these people that you said came to fetch you from the place, you went to Vosloorus. You went to Vosloorus municipal area, the graveside, to the police station. Did you have your mask on?
Kusona sonke ke lesikhathi lesi ke ulandwa khona ke endlini nihambile naya ke police station eFosloorus nihambile naya emathuneni ingaba ngaleso sikhathi leso ke ufakile lokho kubizwa ngokuthi phecelezi ke imask.
Babe ngangekho ngifakile.
No, I didn't have it on.
Did any one of the people who were involved with all these activities that I've just mentioned now ever offered you a mask?
Kubona bonke laba sikhuluma ke manje ke ngamaphoyisa kubona bonke laba ababeyingxenye yako konke lokho okwakwenzeka ke lapha yana kuzo zonke le ndawo ezahlukahlukene enanihamba kuzona ke ukhona yini oyedwa kubona ke owakunikeza ke wathi nansi mask?
Akekho.
No one.
Thank you. Those ladies at I would assume that is CSC, a Community Service Center, at Primrose. Then they brought those gadgets to detect whether you had COVID or not, and then what happened?
Uthi ke base bekubheka ke befaka lezi zinto ke abazifaka ke bebheka icorona kwase kwenzekani ke
Baqeda bahamba ungivulela ngale ya emaselini akhona.
They then went to the cells. That's where they opened up for me.
Who opened up for you?
Uvulelwa ubani?
Uvulele iphoyisa drive imoto ebomvu.
The police officer that was the driver of the red vehicle.
By the way, who did you say that was?
Konje ubuthe kwakubani?
Is it the same police who's been driving this red vehicle from when you were taken from your place?
Kusayile lapho iselodwa elalishayela leya moto ibomvu nkathi bayokulanda endlini.
Yebo.
Yes.
Is it the same police who's been driving this vehicle when you got taken to the municipal area?
Kusayile leya phoyisa elalishayela leya moto nkathi niya kwamasipala.
Yebo.
Yes, the red one.
Is it,
Place on record that the witness cannot remember the name of the police officer.
I did not hear the objection, my lord.
No, he's just placing something on record.
Just place on record that the witness cannot remember the name of the police officer who was driving the red vehicle.
Uthi uyakusho nje umshushisi ukuthi ke ufakazi akalikhumbula igama lephoyisa lelo.
I don't know what point of interest is that one.
Ngicela uyiphendulele.
Yeah.
May I respond for myself?
Yes.
Ngicela ukuthi ubaba engangiphuthumi enkulumo.
I'm just going to make a request to the state in just not to go ahead of me.
Ngoba la icourt senza ngafika kathathu ngijika kwi-office lakhe engakhulumi lutho. Namhlanje ukwazi ungibuza iphoyisa.
Because I came or went to his office 3 times not asking me anything, and today he's asking me about the police officer.
Cela nje ukuthi engangiphazamise ngoba ngilapha nje ngihlukumezekile kahle kahle. Ngashawa mina.
I'm asking that he please not abuse me, because I've been tortured. I am here. As I'm being here, I was assaulted.
Ngishayelwa into ka-2017. Constable ngifike endlini 2017.
Assaulted for something that happened in 2017. Constable Zungu coming to my place or to my house in 2017.
You're saying you have been 3 times to the offices of the same prosecutor that is seated here.
Office lakho baba. Behlezi nawe ubhuti lo abahlezi naye.
In his office, he was with the gentleman next to him, with Geninda, as well as the lady. The witness turned around and pointed behind him, as well as the lady seated here.
When you're saying the gentleman that is seated next to him, are you referring to Dr. Sibanda?
Ukhuluma ngaye ubhuti lo hlezi.
Yebo ekhona.
Yes, he was there.
Oh, okay, no, we'll keep that in abeyance. We'll come to that. We'll come to that. We'll give you an opportunity to explain everything that happened. Do you understand?
Kuningi nje ngifuna ukukhuluma kahle kahle. Badlala ngami laba bantu laba.
There's a lot that I want to say. These people played me.
Badlala ngami. Namanje ngizophela umsebenzi ngilapha eKatolo ngento engathi shu engadibani nayo. Ngizophela umsebenzi kumanje.
Even now,
Ngiyasebenza mina.
I'm employed. I'm gainfully employed. I'm going to lose my job for something that I have nothing to do with.
Yes.
Ngenxa kamuzi kuthiwa kufuneka evume into engayazi.
Just because of Muzi, I am told to admit to something that I know nothing about.
Yes.
Angimphikeli angihlali naye isikhathi eside kodwa nje into bengifunza.
I am not defending him. I don't spend much time or most of my time with him, but it is just something that they were just forcing down my throat.
Who was forcing?
Noma sengafa kwavele basho bathi inyoko lamgxamaze kabili. Usho bona labo obaba. Bathi inyoko lamgxamaze kabili. Makuthi ngiyaphika, angiphiki ngizokufa noma ngizoboshwa. Kulungile sibe ngangibopha. Seku right manje. Edlala ngami. Ngazi ngabona ngala bathi abangasho ungazi. Abangazi umkhulu wakithathe la. Futhi icala ngabantu bakwaZungu kahle kahle.
These people.
Abantu bakwaZungu abafileyo lana bakameyi. Angisukudlala ngade kodwa.
These people are playing me. They don't even know me. My grandpa was here. Is this matter about the Mayuas or the Zungos?
Now you're saying there are people who said you it doesn't matter if you die. You say who are those who said that?
Uthi-ke kunabantu abathi akunandaba ke noma uyashona kwakungobani labo?
Ukininda.
Gininda?
Lana ngisisi.
And this lady, the witness turns around and points to someone behind him.
Mr. Kwabeni, you just mentioned that there's a lot that you want to say. I heard our interpreter saying that. Don't worry, we'll come to that.
Ngikuzwile-ke ukuthi-ke uthi-ke kuningi ufuna ukusho ungabi nankinga-ke siyeza kulokho.
These are just but the snippets of some of those that you're saying you've got a lot to say.
Lana nje usasho-ke nje okuncane-ke kuloko okuningi othi usafisa ukuthi ukusho.
I note, my lord, that the witness seems to be overwhelmed by emotions. I'm just wondering if we can't take a break. And
What's the time then?
12:31, my lord.
12:30.
12:31.
Yeah, let's take a break. Come back at 2.
as it is a court.
Yeah, no problem.